In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can create a ringtone using GarageBand. You want to install GarageBand from the iOS App Store, and once you've installed it, you want to open it up, and then you're going to be greeted with this that says GarageBand Recent. You do not have any projects opened up or made. If you want to make a project, just click this plus icon next to the microphone. Click this plus icon, and then you are greeted with all these tracks right here, you see? You're greeted with all these tracks. They are instruments that you can choose. The one you want to click on is you want to click on audio recorder. Click on audio recorder, and then before we start, what you want to do is you want to turn off the metronome, or what the metronome is going to be playing, and you're going to be able to hear the metronome in your audio recording that you play. Now, once you did that, you want to click on the three dots that look like a hamburger. Click on the three dots that look like a hamburger. And then that will bring you to the audio track timeline. And then if you see that your timeline is only 8 seconds, what you want to do is you want to click the plus icon, and then you see you have selection A, 8 bars. You want to either change it from 8 to 12, or you can change it from 8 to 15. 15 is the minimum standard for audio recording on your ringtone. Click done. And then what you want to do now is you see your timeline change from 8 seconds to 15 seconds. Now you see you have this circle with 2 dots at the end. Click on this, and then you are greeted with all these options. You have where it says Apple Loops, Files, and Music. The music you choose has to be installed on your music device from your iPhone. It cannot be from Apple Music, or it cannot be from YouTube, Spotify, or anywhere else that you use. It needs to be from the iOS iTunes. If you do not have music in your iTunes, then this will not work. Now you want to click on the music and make sure you have music installed from the iOS iTunes. Now click on music, and then you want to click on songs. And I'm going to be choosing a song right here. You see, I'm going to be choosing a song. I'm going to choose this Empty Streets by that artist. You want to hard press it, and then it's going to be putting it in to your timeline for your audio recording timeline. Now it's going to be generating the peaks, and then you can play your audio to test it out to see how you like it. Now what you want to do is you see you have this drop down arrow. Click on the drop down arrow, and then it says my song. Click on that, and then this is a part where people forget to do. Now click on where it says my song. Click on that, hard press it, and then you want to click on where it says share, and then you get these options. It says share song, tap to send your song to stereo, ringtone, and then project. Click on ringtone, and then your ringtone is going to get created. It says your ringtone length needs to be adjusted. Your ringtone needs to be adjusted to 30 seconds or less, and will be automatically shortened to the appropriate length. You just click continue, and then it says my song. You can title it whatever you want. I'm going to title it my song test, and then click done, then click export. Then it's going to be exporting your ringtone. Then it says ringtone exported. Use sound as. And then it says standard ringtone, standard text tone, or assigned to contacts. Click on standard ringtone, and then your ringtone should be added. If you want to make sure your ringtone got added, head over to settings on your iPhone. Click on settings, then click on sounds and haptic. And then you see ringtone. It says my song test. I'm going to play it so that you can see that it works right here. Now, that's it for this video, guys, on how you can make a ringtone using GarageBand. So please like, comment, and subscribe for more how-to videos like these ones.